Have you ever wondered if Spocket is a must-have app for your Shopify store? I mean, it promises to simplify product sourcing and shipping, but is it really worth it? Let's dive deep and find out. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me share a quick story. When I first started my Shopify store, I was overwhelmed by the sheer number of product sourcing options. I tried a few different methods, but nothing seemed to stick. That's when I stumbled upon Spocket. It seemed like a game changer, promising to streamline the entire process. So, I gave it a shot. Understanding Spocket, what does it offer? Let's break down what Spocket actually does. At its core, it's a dropshipping app that connects you with suppliers around the world. You can browse through their catalog, select products you like, and add them to your store with just a few clicks. But that's not all. Spocket also offers features like product sourcing, a vast database of products from different suppliers. Shipping, competitive shipping rates and options. Branding, the ability to customize product descriptions and images. Automation, automated order fulfillment and tracking. Is Spocket worth the cost? Now, the big question, is Spocket worth the cost? Well, it depends. If you're a beginner or someone who's struggling with product sourcing, Spocket can be a lifesaver. It takes a lot of the guesswork out of the equation and allows you to focus on other aspects of your business. However, if you're already comfortable with sourcing products on your own and have a good network of suppliers, Spocket might not be necessary. It's also worth considering the fees associated with using the app. While Spocket does offer free plans, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan to access certain features. Key features to consider. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features that make Spocket appealing. Product quality. One of the biggest concerns when dropshipping is product quality. Spocket claims to have a rigorous supplier vetting process to ensure that you're only selling high-quality products. Shipping times. Fast shipping times are crucial for customer satisfaction. Spocket offers shipping options from various locations, including the United States and Europe, which can help reduce shipping times for your customers. Customer support. Good customer support is essential for any business. Spocket offers a dedicated support team to help you with any questions or issues you may encounter. Alternatives to Spocket. Before you make a decision, it's important to explore some of the alternatives to Spocket. Some popular options include Oberlo, AliExpress, and Printful. Each of these platforms has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's worth doing your research to find the one that best suits your needs. So, do you need Spocket for your Shopify store? The answer is, it depends. If you're looking for a convenient way to source and sell products, Spocket can be a great option. However, it's important to weigh the benefits against the costs and consider the available alternatives. Remember, have you tried Spocket or any other dropshipping platforms? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're still unsure about whether Spocket is right for you, I recommend giving it a try with their free plan. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.